Friendship is one of the most important relationships in life. True friends give us happiness, supports, and memories that stay with us forever.
Friendships are important because they help people feel supported and less alone. Studies show that strong friendship can reduce stress, improve mental health, and increase happiness.
But as time passes, friendship can change. Sometimes people become busy. Sometimes misunderstandings happen. And sometimes communication slowly disappears. Hindi na kayo gaya ng dati. Nagbago na kasi tayo.
Many friendships fade because of distance, lack of time, and poor communication. When people stop expressing their feelings, misunderstanding begins. Sometimes, silence hurts more than arguments.
Kompleto din tayo.
Bakit kasi unti-unti tayo nawala?
Busy na kasi tayo.
Busy talaga o nakalimutan niyo.
Hindi naman sa ganun. Bakit feeling ko nawala ka?
Friendship do not stay strong automatically. They require trust, understanding, communication, effort, and forgiveness. But true friendship is not about never growing apart. It is about finding the courage to reconnect.
Guys, tara gala tayo.
Sige, tara?
Wait lang, picture muna tayo. Tara, tara. Tara, tara, tara.
Friendship is not about being together every day. It is about staying connected despite time, distance, and change. Because some friendships are stronger than time itself.
Yeah, the wonderful thing about that is that it speaks to people.
Is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one. One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do.
Ko, aesthetic eh.
Meron pa nga dito ito.
Oh, 1, 2,
Bagal lang po.
Well,